Hi, what's up, Vechain holder? So what's going on? Today videos be very important for all Vechain coin holder because remember there is a 80% chance my friends to Vechain price will pumps up in the start of month. Otherwise, all currencies were very badly falls down in last my friend 7 days, and definitely my friend in this time in last one day. Oh my goodness, plus 11.28% they will get a profit in last 24 hours. Oh my goodness, Vision is one of the unicorn, my friends, so they will give me a profit. Otherwise, my friend, and 11% can you believe this, my friend? I can't expect this, my friend, from any coin, but Vision can do this, my friend. You can see here 11.28% the price is increased, guys, and the start of month. The main thing, my friend, this is the start of month. No one coin, my friend, and his price is increasing in this time, but this coin will broke all records and make a new record, my friend. You could see here this time in the morning no coin, my friends, will pumps up like that, but VChain is one of the unique coin to they will hit this target. So I am 100% sure, my friends, to upcoming time they will make us millionaire now. Please hold on. You can see here the price is 0.098528 USD dollar. I hope the price will be changed into 0.5 USD dollar, 1 USD dollar, and definitely if they will hit these targets, so I'm 100% sure they will make us millionaire now. See you next time, holder. Please like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel for more this stuff informative and urgent updates videos.